Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 6th, and this is my market recap where we're going to take a look at the euro dollar on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so, definitely check out my Discord trading community. It is 100% free to join. If you would like to check out my website, that's where you join my membership. You get access to all the benefits listed below and more for only $30 a month at fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, on the euro dollar, we continued to drift down today, and once we broke this structure, I said this morning that you should have your Fibonacci from here to here to help you identify the end of a wave A. Now the wave A is over because it broke structure to the upside, so wave A complete. Most likely, this is now in a wave B, which is a correction to the wave A. So now you have to have your Fibonacci retracement from here to here. I would be paying very close attention to especially the 50, 61, 78%. Personally, don't have any idea which level it will turn at, but if it does turn at one of those levels, then I would definitely be very prepared to go short for the wave C, maybe taking that wave C down to like the 50 or 61% of the last push up. I'm hoping that this is a wave one and a wave two, and that tomorrow during the non-farm payroll, we could get a big push up for a giant wave three, is what we're hoping for. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord community, and as always, thank you and happy trading.